Yo, what's good? We about to get started in 1 minute. Alright, I hope y'all had a great week in the markets. Markets. It was pretty busy. We had a lot of movements. I did like my setups that I did last week, so we're gonna do it the exact same way again. We're gonna start off. We're gonna look for what's the volatile pairs, or possibly volatile, by checking the news, see which pair is gonna have some news that's gonna come out that's gonna have some impact. I use Forex Factory. I already have it here. Pulled up. I got the week of September 26th through October 2nd, which that is gonna be Sunday through next Saturday, pretty much. Yeah. All right. Let's see what we got. This Sunday. What? What news is that coming out on Sunday? German federal elections. Okay, all day. Alright. Definitely gonna be paying attention to the euro. Alright. Let's see, that's going Sunday. See, Monday we got GBP. Bailey speaks. At 1 p.m. Oops, snap, my bad. Day. Monday, 1 p.m. Let's see what we got happening Tuesday. Nothing really. I mean, we got these orange folders, so what? I mean, I'm always trading the US pair anyway, so gonna keep US dollar on there anyway. Really only look for red folders though, but put the US dollar anyway. Let's see, Wednesday we got that coming out, GBP and USD. Okay. 10:45 a.m. Alright, let's see. Thursday, what we got? A lot of stuff happening, but nothing too major. Let's see, Friday, but the market's closed Friday anyway, but what the hell? It be moving on Friday too. I don't care what nobody say. I done seen the markets move on Friday, so the market still be open. They open until they close, so if they open, you can trade. But most people be scared to hold them over the weekend and shit, which I don't blame people for shit. I be holding trades. I don't give a fuck. Whatever, it is what it is. Alright, so we got the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar and the US dollar. What is it with this GDP? Oh, yeah, alright, but $7:30, 9 a.m. Yep. So, this week probably gonna be slow. It's the end of the month coming up too. I don't know. Ain't no telling. I know it's definitely was busy last week. Some nice moves this week. Well, this past week. Alright, so we got AUD CAD, AUD USD, which correlate pretty much. Yeah, Euro USD. I keep that one on there. GBP USD. GBP JPY. Probably. Do I want to keep GBP JPY? Yeah, I'll keep it. USD JPY. Which cost some nice pips, but I exited as soon as it got up here. I did not hold. I don't know. I was just like, I'm getting out. I could have held it. As soon as it hit that area, I just went on ahead and got it. Cause I got it. I mean, shit. I was like, I'm good. I took profit. That was my goal. I mean, I didn't even see it when it hit my take profit this past week. I just looked and I wasn't in the trade no more, and I seen my, I was like, oh, okay, cool, bet. But yeah, that was a nice trade. I should have held it to up here, but oh well, shoulda, coulda, woulda. So many pips I woulda. It's only 30 extra pips. I don't like breaking my rules. Break my rules, get greedy, things don't work out. I'm gonna get rid of USD Chef. I'm good on Chef. So I want to get rid of one more. I don't want to look at this many this week. UDCAT. Alright. I'll just keep these. I'm gonna keep both of them. UDCAT is right back down here, so yeah, I'm gonna keep both of them. Alright, I'm gonna jump right into this. Yeah, UDCAT coming on past week. Alright. Daily, let's get our daily support or resistance, whatever. So we got resistance down here. Support down here. And we got this area, I'd say right about there. Let's test it, yeah. Alright, so looking at the daily. Oh, by the way, I am a swing trader. I am not looking to scalp. I am not catching any scalping trades. Copy. Gosh, Sob, I'm trying to stream here. You can't be sending me TikToks. No, I'm just fucking with you. Alright, back to what I was saying. Alright, so we got support and resistance on AUD CAD. We're on the daily. Like I was saying, I'm a swing trader. I am not looking to scalp. So, yeah. I'm gonna break it down to the 4-hour chart. Look for entries on the 4-hour chart, but I do like to see what's going on the daily. Get my support and resistance there first. So it just left resistance. It could come make a rebound right here and head back up to actually touch here, or it could back down here and come up, but whatever. Anyway, we're about to bust it down to the 4 hours, see what it's looking like. Alright, so looking at the 4-hour time frame, we got this area right here. Alright, that's currently at support. So if price breaks below here, stays below here, and I ain't talking about this touch right here, because really, I mean, it's levels to this. So if we put that right there, no. So you're looking at price action. If we put that to touch all those levels, that's pretty much like. So, we're looking for price to break out of this area right here. If it starts breaking below here, 9 times out of 10 it's probably coming back down here. If it starts heading back up here, we may see it come up here, but it's got these areas that it's gonna have to break above to make it back up there. Whenever you're looking at price action, you just want to keep that shit simple. That's all you're looking for, is the previous areas, which are the lower highs, lower lows, higher highs, higher lows, yada yada. Well, at least that's how I look at price action. Everybody looks at charts differently. But like I said, I like to keep mine super simple. I do know that the market can only go 3 ways. It can go sideways and up or down. So it just can't. If it's coming down right now, then I'm gonna be looking for it to come down, unless it breaks back above here. Unless this area holds. Not, then I'll be looking for it to come down here. But it has all these areas. I'm not gonna always keep these. I'm just showing a little explanation that it would have to fall through to make it down there. Not saying it can't just fall through them, but anyway. Price repeats itself. It does the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. So where it was once before, usually goes back to that area. But alright, so we have this area of support right here. Whatever. You could draw. I know some people, I just don't like boxes. I don't know. I mean, sometimes I'll put boxes on there. Depends how I feel. Today I'm not feeling, but you could draw a little like box in there from like this wick, from the bottom of the wick to the bottom. I mean, from the bottom of the wick to the bottom of the body of the candle, and see if it closes below this area. If you start seeing candles close below here, seeing candles close below here, yeah, so you look for it to come down. Alright, so right now I'm gonna just hold off and see what it does whenever the markets go live. a sell like stupid. I'm not stupid, but goddamn English language. Yeah, since it's in a downtrend, so like, say this area holds right here. What I would do is, if it comes back up, it's probably gonna come test this area right here, or possibly this area, or this area, right? So, I would look for a sell position right here at this high that broke this one right here before it came back down to here. So, the reason why I say that is because if you pop the Fibonacci on here, so you got A, B, C, and then you got D down here. No ma'am, go. Hold on guys, I gotta put my dog. All right. Anyway, I know some people they would take a buy entry from here or something, but I would just be patient and wait. I don't like going against the trend. Like I said, since it left, it's in a downtrend. If we look at the daily, see since it left here and it's in an overall downtrend. Like, I don't want to trade against the trend, so I'm not gonna look for a buy. At least not in this area. I would look for a buy right here since it's been kind of ranging. It started ranging in between this area. But yeah. But let me show you the Fibonacci on this, the daily, so you can kind of see. So you got A, B, C, D, and see it could come further down here. So people who take a buy right here, they run the risk of getting trapped. So they buy, comes up to about right here, and then pushes back down. So they better take some profit. I don't know see how many pips that would be. No, it's 100 pip catch, but you're not guaranteed it. It would be nice if you do catch that 200, but even better though if you got in for the buy down here. This is looking like it may start to range a little bit, or even fall harder. But I would definitely be looking for a sell from somewhere else. Alright, next pair. That one's done. I like to put a little flag so I know it's done. Oh, let me put where I'm be looking to get in at. Let's set this alert right here. And I always set it to once per minute just in case, because I don't be wanting to miss those alerts so I can get in, because I might be busy doing something and I need my phone to just go the fuck off. Excuse my language, sorry, go off. Shit. Alright. Got my alert set up. See, AUD USD like correlating with AUD CAD a little bit. And they don't look exactly the same, but they kind of look the same a little bit. Anyway. Alright. So, I don't like that area. Yeah, I like that area a lot better. But still keep in mind that price can come down to this area, but that would be another. Oh, that's why. Because we had this tightening right here before. This consolidation area right here. Yeah, my little box don't want to drop. Consolidate, yeah, it fell back all the way. Like, if I drag this all the way over there, you're going to see it's going to, boom. That's what I mean whenever I say that the markets do the same thing over and over. Like, people overcomplicate looking at charts. Alright. So we got our daily support, daily resistance. I'll write it in a minute. Still looking for a sell, but I look for a sell up here. With my mic in front of me, it's not that easy. I need to set this up differently. That's why I can't type. My mic's in front of me, like in my hand. It doesn't matter. Downturn. Daily. So at 4 hour. Alright, so yeah, just gonna be looking for a sell from up here. Looking to catch about 90 pips on this one. Let's see, 80 CAD, looking to catch. If it works out, about 100 pips. So yeah, I mean that's usually standard for me. About 100 to 150 pips. Sometimes I'm catching about 200 pips. It just depends how long I can hold my trade. Just confidence. So I try to tell people. A lot of times when I first hop in the trade, it sits around my entry, or it'll leave my entry. I'll be in the green. It'll come back to my entry. I don't know, just confidence in the trade. A lot of people, they move up their stop loss too quickly. I used to do that a lot too. I still do that too at times. I move my stop loss up too quickly. I can't even say too quickly. I mean, this is still a gamble at the end of the day, so ain't no exactly right or wrong. So keep that in mind too. But with this strategy though, I usually catch about 100 pips, 150, 200 if I'm, like I said, confident enough to hold it. And usually only risking about 25-30 pips depending on the situation. You can see right here we're looking at, I'd risk about 25 pips here, 30 if I want to be just, but not really though. 25 is usually my go-to. 25 pips and I'm good. And I usually have a nice like 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk to reward. Not 1 to, yeah, just depending. Should. Yeah, so 1 to 4.3, whatever. Then if it breaks down here, we hold the sell, and I'm able to attain 300 pips. Shit, that's a 1 to 8 right now, right there. But it usually starts to get a little rocky. But I mean, it just depends. Depends how hard it breaks through here. It may come touch here real hard. I don't know. Except depends. Anyway. So yeah, definitely a good looking trade there. This one as well. Look, the risk only about 25 pips again. 25 for 90 pips. Still looking at a 1 to 3, over a 1 to 3. I don't take nothing unless it's a 1 to 3. It must be a 1 to 3. Oops, wrong one. 1 to 3 or more. Yep. Boom. I don't know. When you do this enough, you kind of know when they are 1 to. I mean, if you know simple math, you know 25 pips to 100, you know it's definitely a 1 to 3 or more. All right, Euro USD. Let's see what it's talking about. All right. Move that up just a tad bit. Move it up right there. Interesting. Sorry, I don't know. I'm just like looking at this. Looking at some long term. Don't mind me for a second. That's pretty interesting. So we got these double tops up here, or say M right here. On the weekly. Let's do that 3-day. All right. I wonder if this is gonna hold or not. All right. I mean, if this doesn't hold, we could potentially see some. Like if I'm looking at this, like looking at Euro USD right now, like we could see like a potential like drop, yo. Like look at that. Like I mean, if this daily doesn't hold, like we could see like, or at least if not at 400, at least about right there, yo. To 300 pip, 300, another 300 pip drop from right there. Oh no, I don't know, I don't know. Yeah. Unless we get another bounce from here, which we could be getting a bounce from here. If we get this little consolidation, that could be saying like, hey, we're not finna break below. We're not finna break below here. We'll see this like build up, but we'll see how it goes. If we get a lot of momentum, in the upwards direction, breaking up out of here. Oop, snap. I did not mean to do that.